Dissection companies profit from selling the bodies of millions of animals for use in crude classroom dissection exercises. Where do these animals come from? A PETA eyewitness investigation pulls back the curtain on the industry that could be supplying animals to your school. At BioCorporation in Alexandria, Minnesota, cats, fetal pigs, pigeons, crayfish, rabbits, turtles, calf embryos, sharks, and many other animals are processed and sold for dissection. Live pigeons were packed into plastic crates upon arrival at BioCorporation, and workers drowned them by submerging the crates in tubs of water. A veterinarian who watched this video stated that drowning would take as long as 10 minutes. The birds would first panic, hyperventilate, and struggle to keep their heads above water. Then they would hold their breath until they couldn't any longer and their lungs filled with water, leading to vomiting, painful airway spasms, and finally, loss of consciousness, cardiac arrest, and death. Live crayfish were injected while fully conscious with liquid latex. A worker admitted that death doesn't come quickly with this method.
Latex goes through their lungs and stuff.
One veterinarian stated that the crayfish would likely experience prolonged pain and suffering as a result of oxygen deprivation to tissues, suffocation, and cellular trauma and death. Turtles were shipped frozen to BioCorporation, but workers, including a supervisor, said that they sometimes come back to life before being refrozen while still fully conscious.
Sometimes they do come back to life.
I know, it's cool they come back to life.
Shut up.
No, they really do.
What, they just start moving, or what?
Yep.
See them swimming in the tub.
Yeah, that's crazy as shit. Then you gotta put them in a freezer again so they fucking freeze.
So they're frozen when they come in, but sometimes they'll wake back up.
Yeah, if they're live, we freeze them, then sometimes they come back to life after that. Not that often, but sometimes it does. It's pretty fucking cool.
According to Clifford Warwick, one of the world's leading authorities on herpetology, there is no rationale or defensible basis for killing turtles by freezing. A BioCorporation co-owner said that cats are purchased from shelters. Some of the dead cats are still wearing collars when they arrive, indicating that they may have once been cherished family members. BioCorporation workers exhibited a callous indifference to animal suffering.
Why are you trying to keep all the cat collars? What?
It's just a tradition.
Tradition?
Yep.
You don't find it a little bit creepy? Cat collars?
Fetal pigs were purchased from slaughterhouses. Formaldehyde and dye were injected into the small animals' bodies through blood vessels in the umbilical cord. In 2016, BioCorporation made millions off this misery, even though sophisticated virtual dissection software and other methods have proved just as effective at teaching anatomy and physiology as cutting up dead animals, if not more so. Please contact PETA's Teach Kind program for information on introducing modern, effective, non-animal teaching methods into your classroom.